Hi beautiful, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we're making Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. For this recipe, you'll need 4 hoagie rolls, 8 ounces of mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning, 2 pounds of skirt steak, 1 large onion, 8 ounces of provolone cheese, 2 tablespoons of oil and butter. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat, then add onion and saute it for about 7 minutes, stirring a few times. After, add mushrooms and stir them in and saute it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer onion and mushrooms onto a plate and keep it warm with the lid over the top. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil on medium-high heat. Working in batches, add steak and try not to overcrowd. Season with salt and pepper and steak spice. Cook for about a few minutes until the meat is browned. Remove the cooked meat onto a plate and cook another batch. After, return the meat back into the skillet and add cheese. Turn off the heat and stir the cheese in until it melts completely. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, like this video if you like it. Now, cook your buns in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's put together our sandwiches. Over warm toasty buns, add steak. Then add sauteed onion and mushrooms. Close it and enjoy it. You can enjoy these sandwiches for lunch, dinner, or breakfast. If you'd like to get a printable of this recipe, I'll link it down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!